Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We have this interesting functional equation f of x plus 1 over x plus 4 equals x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 16. And the question is, what is f of 7? I have two different ways of solving this. Pause this video and give it a try. And let's consider the step-by-step solution on how to solve this beautiful functional equation problem. First is x is a member of a real number not equals to 0. So if we have 0, we have an invalid function. Because of this, those under this. Then for method 1, so I'm going to apply little manipulation here. Suppose I apply the substitution first. Here we have 7 and we need all this to be 7. Then we said x plus 1 over x plus 4 equals to 7. Then on getting this, we are going to transfer 4 to other side as we have x plus 1 over x equals 3. Then, so we are going to start this and we take the square of both sides. So by squaring both sides, we have 1 over x raised to power of 2 equals 3 raised to power of 2. And expanding x plus 1 over x raised to power 2, we get x squared plus 1 divided by x squared plus x multiplied by 1 divided by x multiplied by 2. Then this equals, we are going to have this equals 9. So after this, we are going to have x cancelled x, and this is x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2 equals 9. And to get x squared plus 1 over x squared, we take 2 to other side. And by taking 2 to other side, we have x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 7. So we start this as well. So we are going to take this thing back into the real equation. So the real question, therefore we have f of, for x plus 1 over x plus 4, that gives us 7, then equals yx squared plus 1 over x squared. This also gives us 7, plus we have 16. And 7 plus 16, this gives us 23. And 23 is the final answer to this problem. This is for equation 1. And does this correlate with how you solved it? If so, you can subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and drop a like on this video. Let's see how we can solve this using the second method. So let's apply the second method for this. We have M2. So looking at the first question, we have f of x plus 1 over x plus 4 equals x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 16. Then let's try to manipulate this. I want all these right hand side, x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 16, to resemble this domain. The domain is x plus 1 over x plus 4. So we apply the manipulation method. And how can we do that? Suppose I have f of x plus 1 over x plus 4. This equals, for x squared plus 1 over x squared. So this is the same thing as having it x plus 1 over x raised to power of 2. So by expanding this one only, we get x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. So this means that we have to subtract that 2 from here so that we can get x squared plus 1 over x squared. So taking out 2 from here, then plus 16. So again, we have f of x plus 1 over x plus 4 equals, since I want to manipulate this, I can just assume x plus 1 over x plus 4 minus 4. Then all raised to power 2 plus minus 2 plus 16, that gives us 14. And if I let x plus 1 over x plus 4 equals y, and also x plus 1 over x plus 4 at the other side equals y, then we have f of y equals y minus 4 raised to power 2 plus 14. And from here, so since I've successfully manipulated this thing, let's try to replace y with x, or we can also leave it as y. But to make it uniform, we have it as f of x equals x minus 4 raised to power 2 plus 14. And since we need f of 7, so we just replace x with 7, and we have f of 7 equals 7 minus 4 raised to power 2 plus 14. So 7 minus 4 is 3. We have f of 7 equals 3 squared plus 14. So 3 squared is 9, and 9 plus 14 gives us 23. So therefore, f of 7 equals 23. So different methods, and we have the same solution. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.